Adopting a Stoic perspective when it comes to relationships involves focusing on self-control, resilience, and understanding what is within our control versus what is not. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, emphasizes virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, guiding individuals to lead a life of personal fulfillment and moral integrity. When applying Stoic principles to relationships, it's important to prioritize mutual respect, communication, and personal boundaries. Here are 4 things, guided by Stoic principles, that a man, or anyone for that matter, should not tolerate from a partner. 1. Disrespect. Stoicism teaches the importance of respect and dignity in all aspects of life, including relationships. Constant disrespect, whether through words or actions, undermines the foundation of a healthy relationship. This can include belittling, constant criticism, or demeaning behavior. A Stoic approach would advocate for addressing the issue directly and calmly, seeking to understand the root cause while maintaining one's dignity and self-respect. 2. Manipulation. Manipulative behaviors, such as gaslighting, emotional blackmail, or using someone's feelings against them, are contrary to the principles of justice and fairness that Stoicism holds dear. Such dynamics disrupt the balance of a healthy relationship, leading to an environment of mistrust and insecurity. From a Stoic perspective, it's vital to recognize these behaviors, maintain emotional control, and set clear boundaries to protect one's well-being. 3. Infidelity. Loyalty and trust are core components of any relationship. Infidelity breaks the trust that is crucial for a relationship to thrive. Stoicism emphasizes the value of trustworthiness and fidelity as aspects of the virtue of justice. Dealing with betrayal requires a Stoic to practice forgiveness, if they choose. Reflect on what is within their control, such as their reaction and future choices, and possibly reassess the relationship's future. 4. Stifling personal growth. Stoicism encourages personal development and the pursuit of virtue. A relationship should ideally offer support and encouragement for personal growth and the exploration of one's potential. If a partner actively discourages your interests, personal development, or efforts to improve yourself, it contradicts the Stoic value of bettering oneself in accordance with virtue. In such cases, a Stoic response would involve assertively communicating your needs and seeking a solution that allows for mutual growth and fulfillment. 5. Lack of integrity. Integrity is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, which advocates for living a life of virtue in accordance with reason. A partner who consistently lies, cheats, or demonstrates a lack of integrity challenges the foundation of trust and honesty that a Stoic values in relationships. A Stoic person would encourage open and honest communication to resolve these issues, but would not compromise their own integrity to appease another. 6. Emotional dependency. While Stoicism recognizes the importance of human connections, it also teaches self-sufficiency and the importance of finding contentment within oneself. A relationship where one partner excessively relies on the other for their happiness or self-worth can be draining and is not sustainable. A Stoic would seek to support their partner in finding inner strength and independence, rather than enabling dependency. Hindrance to personal growth. Stoicism is about personal development and living in accordance with one's own nature and virtue. A relationship that stifles personal growth, be it through controlling behavior, discouragement from pursuing personal goals, or constant negativity, is contrary to Stoic values. A Stoic individual would aim to communicate and resolve these issues while prioritizing their own journey towards virtue and self-improvement. In dealing with these or any challenges in a relationship, Stoicism advises focusing on what you can control: your responses, your decisions, and your own actions. It encourages open and honest communication, setting healthy boundaries, and, if necessary, seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. Remember, the goal of Stoicism is not to suppress emotions but to understand them, manage them wisely, and act in accordance with virtue,